Hello students. Now I am knowing this is the great critical situation, and this critical situation everyone are locked down inside the house. This is the very safest zone our house is that. So prevention is better than cure. Everything is locked down, but we won't be shut down our study. So in this online study, now I will carry on with past perfect continuous. In previous class, I taught you already past perfect, the format of the past perfect, then the four types of sentences: affirmative, negative, interrogative, and interrogative negative, then uses of past perfect tense. Now further, the last category of the past tense, that is the past perfect continuous. It's a perfect and continuous, these two words has been added in past tense. That means showing that the work or action has been started in past and completed in past already. In this category, we will learn format, four types of sentences, as well as examples of the sentences you will get. Then I will provide you one worksheet, one homework by the using of do as directed. So let's carry on with the past perfect format, past perfect continuous format. Subject plus had plus been plus fourth form of verb, that is the present participle, plus object plus time reference. This is the format. Subject plus had plus been plus fourth form of verb plus object plus time reference. Let's come to the affirmative sentence. That means positive. Children had been playing since morning. This is a form of sentence which is talking about an action that was children were playing. Children had been playing since morning. Another, she had been studying hard since December. She had been studying hard since December. These two are the examples of affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence carried on their format with the similar of the main format of the past perfect continuous. Then after, negative. Negative format is what the different here not has to be used between had and been. Had not been has to be actual format. Here example, it had not been drizzling since last night. It had not been drizzling since last night. Next, he had not been thinking to go abroad. He had not been thinking to go abroad. These two are the examples of negative sentence. Further, interrogative. In interrogative, sentence should start with had. So had plus subject plus been plus fourth form of verb plus object plus time reference and most important question mark. Here these two are the examples. Had you been waiting for me for 2 hours? Had you been waiting for me for 2 hours? Now another, had he been quarreling with you for some time? Had he been quarreling with you for some time? These two are example of interrogative. Now interrogative negative not has to be used after subject. So examples, had they not been preparing hard for the examination? had they not been preparing for the hard for the examinations. These two are the examples of this. And now this is the homework. Do as directed is written. In a gap, in a first gap is written the verb, and this verb we have to use the tense which is mentioned in the adjacent of each sentences. So do it correctly and post immediately. Thank you.